Mercedes unveiled the first details of the interior of the new EQE SUV. This model is the multi-purpose variant of the EQE Executive Saloon, which was introduced last year. The EQE SUV will be available with the key innovations of the EQS, yet at the same time more dynamic than the EQS SUV. In terms of headroom, legroom, and the elbow room, the 5-seater EQE SUV is one of the most spacious representatives of its class. Main star of the interior is the optionally available MBUX Hyperscreen. World premiere is scheduled for October this year, so stay tuned for more.